now we got our box made. Let's call the width of this box X and the length Y. The only thing we measured was the 4 centimeter mark, right? I want you to try to find the perimeter of the original piece of paper and the area of the original paper using expressions. This is one of my favorite lessons because the kids get to make a box. Pause the video, try them out using X and Y in your expressions. Let's go over the solution, and to set this problem up, we're going to start with finding the expression for the length of the paper. If you look at the length of the paper, the only real numbers we have are these 4s right here. And since it's a square, we know that all the little line segments like this is 4 centimeters long. So we're going to write 4 on all of those. And we're also given the expression Y from when we labeled our box. So the length of the box is Y long, meaning that that is also Y long. To find the expression for the total length, the total is made out of these measurements. All we have to do is add those up. Just combine like terms from there, and we get 2Y, combining those two Y's, plus 12. That is the dimension for my length. Doing the same for the width, this is X wide long, and we know that these are 4 centimeters long. So to find the total width, all we got to do is add all these expressions up, and that will equal our width, X plus 8. Now that I have my length and width, I can easily find the perimeter, which is what we're going to do first. I'm just going to redraw that rectangle for you, the original piece of paper, with the dimensions that we found from the first part of the problem. We know that the length is 2Y plus 12 and the width is X plus 8. The perimeter of a rectangle is just adding up all the sides, and it's not written, but the dimensions on the top, this will be also X plus 8 because it's going to have the same width as the bottom, and likewise this piece is going to be represented with 2Y plus 12. To find my perimeter, we can just add the length twice, or we can write it as 2 times 2Y plus 12, because there are 2 of them. And we could also do the same for the width. There's 2 of those X plus 8s, so we're going to write 2 times X plus 8. A little simplifying from this point, and we got our answer. 4Y plus 24 plus 2X, because if you distribute that, plus 16. And just put this alphabetically. 2x, nothing like terms with that. Plus 4y, nothing like terms with that. And 24 and 16, we can put those two as like terms. That equals 40. That is my perimeter right there. To find the area for a rectangle is length times width. Listing the length below, my length is written with the expression 2y plus 12. And my width is written with the expression X plus 8. Those are just multiplying 2 binomials together, and we can do that by distributing twice. So doing that first part, 2y times x is just 2xy. 2y times 8 is 16y, and then we got to do the second term. 12 times x is 12x, and 12 times 8 is positive 96. None of those are like terms, so believe it or not, that is my expression for my area. Again, this is a really fun lesson, and it helps students visualize it better when they have the actual 3D object in front of them. If you like this episode, let me know. Put it in the chat below, like and subscribe, and I hope I see you on the next episode. Peace!